Hey guys!
No.
It is hot. So, we have a surprise. Where is it? Oh, it's over here. So, today we're going to like where are we going?
Play kickball.
Yeah, like a kickball thingy that we're going to.
Tournament,
Little event with a couple of our friends. But yesterday, a couple of days ago, well, you'll see what we got. You'll see what I got. Woo! I'm tired.
If you don't know, man, Houston is hot.
It's like, let's see if it tells me. Right now, it's 86.
87.
And it's high of 93. So, don't ever come to Houston. No, just
Please don't.
okay, guys. So, I'm not going to show you. You ready to show them? 1, 2, 3. This is our new car.
Yeah.
I traded my car in for this. Take a picture of me on the car.
Well, just snap it.
No, just, you don't have to do anything.
Bam. Oh, okay.
So we're going to show you the inside.
Yeah, show me.
It's like a little SUV, you know. I like this one more because it just has more room and stuff.
Even though we don't have no kids or nothing like that.
We don't, but I need more space. Ugh. Unfortunately, it's black in the inside, so it's gonna be hot.
Let's show them how cold this AC blow, cause it is hot. It is hot. Ooh, hey, show them that wood grain, that black wood grain, girl. Ooh.
And of course, he's driving.
Yeah, cause it's really mine though.
You ready to tell him?
Yeah, that was a surprise, man. I'll tell him.
You ready to tell him?
Yes,
We're just kidding.
yeah. Woo! Nah, it's a loaner though. Samantha car is in the shop. The window switch broke.
Yeah.
But nah, it's a loaner though.
So like every time something's wrong with it, I just take it back and they give me a
free
loaner car. This time they gave us a truck, and so the part is not gonna be back till they had to order it.
Yeah.
And it won't be here till Monday, so they called and they're like, just you keep the loaner car for the week.
The funny thing about it is, like,
really like this
she
car
really
more.
like it more than hers. That's the funny part. So that's
I really like this just because it's like, look at all the space back here.
Yeah, spacious.
It's so much space, and then they got the back. Like,
yeah.
It's just a lot of space, and
it's enough room. Like, you know, people probably call this car the beat your cheek car. You know what I'm saying? What? When you try to get a little quickie, you just hop in the back. You know, it's spacious. I'm just saying.
But yeah, so we're heading to go play kickball with a couple of our friends. It's his group of friends from his car club. And then later we're gonna have another surprise too. In probably a couple of weeks.
Yeah, a couple weeks. Couple weeks, yeah. A little vacation surprise.
What?
A little vacation surprise.
Oh.
Yeah, you know.
Sorry if the angles are horrible. My arm hurts.
Yeah, she been working out lately, and she swear like the people are killing her. It's like, oh my God, my arm hurts. I gotta go straight, don't I?
Yeah.
TJ, man.
So I've been doing this. I'm doing a 6 weeks challenge. I work out 4 times a week, and last week I did Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And like the first 2 days, I couldn't walk at all. Like today, I'm barely getting like better, and my arms hurt though because Thursday we did arms.
Then she wanna go play kickball.
But I'm gonna go play kickball because I want to do. I need to do some cardio.
Hey, Target or where?
No, TJ Maxx. So that's why my arms probably like shaking because Instead of switch arms.
Come on, grandma. I hate when people walk slow, man. Ooh, I don't know where we live at.
Like
they know the area, goddamn. Here, baby.
If you want to come visit us,
Ooh, show them right here, baby. Show them big money.
Big money.
Big money. That shirt a little too small though. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Shut up. Ooh. Let me get out. Hold the camera.
There where you going?
Yeah.
Oh.
Guys, we made it to the park. You see all of the cars. There's a couple and there's more back this way. And Kenneth is over there with his friends. But guys, y'all see how hot it is? Look, right there. 91 degrees. I am not about to sit out here and just sit there in 91 degrees. Like, it's too dang hot. No. So, I'm in here with this AC and it feels great. Great. And I think Kenneth's about to leave. Thank goodness. Here he comes. We're about to head home. Oh, where are you going? Going in the wrong direction. You're supposed to be coming over here. Big head. Y'all see him, guys? And he hates being out here in the heat, so I know he's tired. But you trying to get food, like always, talking about food. Anyway, I can't eat any of that anyway. So I'm in here with this AC. It feels great. You know, y'all like my hat? It says dope. Can y'all see? Where is it? So, hopefully, we're supposed to play kickball, but it just didn't turn out that way. So they just started barbecuing. Nobody ever played kickball, which I was excited for because I need to do some cardio. But nobody was playing kickball. So I think we're gonna wait for a little bit, chill for a little bit, and then go home. And then we'll probably do like a reaction later on today. So we'll combine these videos and see how it goes. He's over there getting food. Oh, hungry. Yeah, they got some really nice cars out here. They got, cause Kenneth's is in a car club, and but we didn't drive his car today because we have this loaner, so we're taking advantage of it. But he has, he's part of a car club, and we always get together like once in a while to do just like a barbecue or their monthly meet and stuff like that. So today was that. We're supposed to play kickball also, but unless they're trying to wait for it to cool down, but I don't think it's gonna cool down. And I'm not about to play kickball in no 91 degree weather either. I thought it was gonna be in the shade. There is no shade. So yeah, I'm just venting to y'all because I have nobody else to talk to. So we'll come back when we're at home and we'll do like some type of reaction or something. Look, he don't even know what he's doing. He's just sitting over there, just being a hungry hippo. Hungry. Look at that big belly too. Look at it. He knows how to do it. Too. Big belly. Big belly. He can't see. Oh, they just fucked it. Big belly. That's funny. Get your legs butter.
Huh? What? I'm trying to watch the
Finishing
game.
Our video since we
ticking me off.
He's mad because the Cavs are losing.
Dude, they cheating.
Cheating my
The Warriors
bet.
getting first off. The Warriors getting every call from the game. Like, how is that even possible? I'm talking about every game. If Curry look like he about to get fouled, oh, come on, man.
Oh, Kurt. Oh, Kurt.
Ooh.
Oh, Kurt. Oh, Kurt. I can't do it. Yeah, the guys, so the Warriors are winning. Of course, if you see it there. Shut up. Warriors 59, Cavs 46. And there's my second hubby right there. Steph Curry.
Nigga, I'll smack you. Come on, second hubby.
He's my hubby that I'll never meet. Actually, I'll meet him one day. Just like we're gonna meet Kevin Hart.
Very nice.
Yes, we are. Guys, we're meeting Kevin Hart in August when we go to Vegas. If y'all want to know how, go follow our Instagram.
Yeah.
Gotta go follow our Instagram. So we didn't get to really do anything. We came home and then actually we went to go exercise because I told y'all I needed to do some cardio. So I went to go run around.
Hey, let me put y'all on something though, you hear me? I don't know if y'all
We're so boring, huh? Y'all probably gonna get so mad.
We're really loud.
Anyway.
And let me put them on something. Hey, y'all go listen to this, but it's the closing. You know what I'm saying? Closing upcoming artists right here.
Lunch in peace. Sweet.
Just do a little part.
Peace.
I'll do a little part of it.
That's on me, baby.
Alright.
Would you look at us?
Yeah, y'all go look that up. You heard me? Yellow Bees, you heard me? That's on me, baby.
That's on me,
22
baby.
million views.
That's on me, baby.
That nigga got paid.
That's on me, baby. Hey, hey, hey. That's on me, baby.
Toward it.
I'm just kidding. So guys, please let us know what type of videos y'all want to see.
Please.
Send us a message on Instagram or comment down below. Sorry guys, I tried.
Yeah, the brain fart.
Anyway, we're gonna do some more videos.
Definitely.
What kind of video? I don't know. I think I want to do a prank on, I don't know, like a lyric. Not on Kenneth, on somebody else. I don't know. Anyway, so we're gonna end this vlog today. Today we did a vlog. That's different. We haven't done a vlog in a while.
Yeah, sure have.
And we didn't get even to play kickball. I was so excited. Anyway, so if you're new to our channel, please go subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and like this video if you like. And please go follow our social medias. They'll be down in the description
Below, please.
below.
And matter of fact, actually, hey, any of our followers, hit us up if y'all can do like some cold, like cartoon stuff.
Intro video.
Yeah,
We're wanting another intro video, and we want like a cartoon of our.
Of us. So please, if y'all, you know what I'm saying, if y'all know somebody, add them down below.
DM us on
something.
Instagram.
You know what I'm saying? Hey, and we're willing to spend that bread. You feel me? We know nothing free in life. We're willing to spend that bread. You feel me?
So
we get a bag, we spend a bag. That's how I go in life.
We get a bag. Okay, guys. I don't know what he's talking about. So, we love you, like we always say, and we'll see you next time. Say bye, babe.
Alright, peace. See y'all later.